Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to make a table of contents in Microsoft Word. I have 8 pages of document and you can see here and which consist of different headings like 1.1 heading is heading 1 and 1.2 is heading 1 and there is a subheading also which is heading 2 and heading 2, and I want to insert a table of contents of this document here. Just go to the reference and table of contents and choose one of them which you like. Just click here and table of contents has been created. Now you can see here heading 1.1 is heading 1, 1.2 is heading 1, and there is a subheading heading which is heading 2. Now you can see this is heading 1 and this is heading 1, this is a heading 2, heading 2, heading 2. Now you can see the table of contents of your document, and you just press Ctrl and click here. It goes to the 1.1 heading. You can see here it jump into the 1.4 generation of computers. Just press Ctrl Home, go to the home page and click here classification of computer. Just press Ctrl and click here. Now it goes to the classification of computer. Classification of computer. Just press Ctrl Home go to the first page, and now you can see this is a very good table of contents which you have created in Microsoft Word. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.